Hi traders, welcome back to BloomFX. It's been a long time for me not doing a live stream, and I came today also because it's the 1st of February, and I said I want to say happy new month, and I wish you a profitable month also with me for those that they are already in my group, and for those that they paid the VIP group and so on. I will explain you more also about the change that I've done, and I will go, let's say, here to my website, and here you have all the services like the signals. We have the BloomFX EA, and we have the courses. And the reason why I was not able to do everyday live streams was because I had to prepare also my website, and also with the help of the people from my group, and also because I was very busy with the courses. Now we started also the new program, the Signal Program 1, and now if you go on my website, you can check, and you will have all the information about the signals, because I received a lot of messages, and a lot of people, they don't know where to go. So for you to know from now on, you can go to bloomfxsignals.com, and then there you will find all the information about all the services that I offer. Okay? Good. Now I want to go on the charts, and I want to have a look a little bit at the pairs, but for the beginning I want to say that I hope that you are going through my analysis. Let's go to trading view, because also I received a lot of messages where I can find your work and analysis and so on. And I said also to present you here the trading view, the BloomFX page on trading view, and also here you have all the analysis on the weekly analysis and so on. And in the same time I started to post also education, if you are interested, because believe me, I am putting also interesting things about the Forex, and also they will help you a lot. They will help you a lot for you to grow in this beautiful journey. Okay. Now I hope that you know exactly what are the steps. Also with the trading view, and also with the website. Also you have the BloomFX Signals Instagram page, and there you have all the information again, and also my page. Okay. Now I said that I would like to go through some pairs, and I want to see what's happening. Also I came very late on the charts, but I do think that I can find something here interesting. Okay, let me try to change a little bit. Okay, the color was too strong. This is on the 1 hour, and I can see that the price breakthrough this resistance, rejected from here, came down trying to create a support, and now most probably the price will continue to go up again, maybe to retest this zone, and if we have momentum, definitely the price will break this area. But if we go, let's say, on the daily, As you can see on the daily, the price is trying to flip this bearish candle in a bullish one, and maybe it's going to retap again this zone. I told you also before that going into a trade, you must have a trading plan, and this I'm saying also for the guys that they are taking courses with me, and most probably they are watching me now. Don't forget about the trading plan, to have it every day in front of you. Also, before going into a trade, also I explain in the weekly analysis on the videos that please, before going into a trade, you must have a confirmation, okay? In 15, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, it doesn't matter. You must have a confirmation, because the price can be tricky, and it can take your money, okay? So for all the people that they are here in this business of Forex, I believe that you are here only to make money, not to lose money, okay? Okay, now I want to see how Euro JPY is going to react on this area, and if it's going to reject, then it's going to come back down again, or if it's going to break it, then it will continue to go up again. Why I'm here again on the YouTube, because also I closed the free group from Telegram, and I said that if you are not able to be in that group, and if you don't have the possibility to join my group, you have the possibility to join me on the YouTube, where it's completely free, and I will try to come every day. And please subscribe, and you will know exactly when I will come in on YouTube, and I will have a live session, okay? And I am trying to come here every day to do the live session for you, to give you some knowledge, although it's free. And I really want you to learn something and not to rush in trades, because I saw a lot of people losing, and also not because they are in my group, but because they are using some signals that they are not mine, first of all, and second, because they are placing orders by their own, and they are not prepared, because they didn't understand how candles function, and how price action is moving, or how to place a Fibonacci, or how to use a Nichimoku cloud, and so on. So that's why I'm here for you, for all the people that they would love to learn something from me, and they are not from my group, and they don't have the possibility right now to be in my group. So from now on, you have a free knowledge from me here on YouTube, and I'm trying to be here every day, okay? Hi, hello, how are you guys? How are you, Eric? How are you, Vinod? You have some strange names. Maybe my name too, it sounds strange for you. So, because it's 1st of February, remember that the market is moving, let's say it's not, it had a little move in the morning, but it was tricky, I didn't like it. And I know all the time that at the beginning of the month, it's not really so good to play, because you may think that the price is going to a direction, but it's exactly the opposite. So if you looked on my analysis, now I am waiting at least 1 day for a confirmation to see the pairs that I am trading to see if they are going up or down. Okay, I told you all the time you need confirmation, but when I will be here on YouTube, I will try to do some trades live with you here if I will find any opportunity. Okay, so for example, in this moment at Euro JPY on the 30-minute, we have to see if the price is going to break this area, and we still have 13 minutes for this 30-minute candle to close, and also the 1 hour candle to close. And if you look closer, I think that the price may reject. I don't know exactly, but we have the possibility, because now I put it on the 1 hour, and we may have this possibility that the price, it's playing here in this channel. So if the price is not breaking through this area to continue to go up, then the price, it may go down, okay, to retest again this area. So that's why I said don't rush into a trade. It's better to wait and to see what the market gives you. So all the time you must have how you say, situations, and to have I don't know how to say, you must do all the time analysis, you know, like I did now. You don't have to stay 1 hour in one pair to do analysis. You have to do it very quickly in 1 or 2 minutes, and you just say your opinion there. And for those that they are using TradingView, you have here a lot of tools. Okay, leave me alone. You have here a lot of tools, and they can help you a lot. You see, you have icons. Here you have the long and short position and so on. Here you can text, and you can text here to put your resistance and so on, whatever you want to put. You have the trend lines and so on. It's very easy. So before going into a trade, I repeat, don't ever rush. Okay, let me go again on the 4 hour. Even though the price, it's like in an uptrend, it's like going up, down. Yes, the price, it may come back down again here. So down, up, down, up. That's why I said I don't mind waiting the price to give me some clear direction, you know. Here we have the weekly, and on the weekly we have the possibility for the price to see that it's trying to flip the bearish candle into a bullish one. If this is going to happen, then the price will tap again this area. And also I have put here an alarm for me to know that if it's going to cross this area, that means that I have to wait for the confirmation to see if it's going to break it, or it's going to reject from here. Okay, and if you looked on the analysis, on the weekly analysis, you will see that also, for example, in this case Euro JPY, it's in a beautiful trend line, and we have the trend line up and down, and we are waiting to see if the price is going to reject this area, or the price will come up maybe to create a fake out and then to come back down again. There are a lot of possibilities, but sometimes if we are waiting, and if we do let's say that if we know exactly how to map the support and resistance also on the daily, weekly, monthly, and so on the charts that you are trading, it's a little bit easier, let's say, to predict what's the next move. Okay, so it's not so complicated, let's say, predicting what may happen. Like here I said at the beginning that here the price is playing here between these two lines, and these are the trend lines, and this one you call a channel. So the price, if it's not going to break this one, and we still have 8 minutes to have a confirmation, then the price may come back down again to retest this area, or maybe it's going to come to retest again this trend line. We don't know. Okay, or maybe the price is going to break through this one and create like a fake out maybe, and coming back down again, but I don't think so. So that's why I say that it's very, very important for everybody to wait at least on the 1 hour and 30 minute a confirmation before going into a trade. There are a lot of people that they will say, oh my gosh, she's speaking too much, blah blah blah, but these guys, they are the ones that they read a lot, that maybe they spend I don't know, hundreds of hours in front of your computer and looking at charts and studying candles and so on, and I appreciate this, but believe me, there are a lot of people, and also in my group, that they don't know anything. Okay, they know only that this is Euro JPY, if it's not going down, it's going up. That's why I said that coming here, doing live, I will try to explain some things for those that really don't know what's happening, and maybe if I see an opportunity, for sure I will take a live trade here with you. Okay, and for those that are not profitable in the real account, you can go to demo and you can practice there. And again, you can go to babypips.com, and there you have let's say like from the kindergarten to school, I don't know how to say, they have some beautiful steps, and you can go there and read about this. It's about Forex, and you will learn about the timing, about the candles, about the entries, how to place your stop loss, and so on. It's very nice, that platform, and I can say that it's for the beginning, for the beginners, and you should go and have a look on this platform, because you will find a lot of interesting things, okay, regarding Forex. Now we still have 5 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close, and also the 4 hour candle just closed 1 hour ago, and it looks like a pin here. Let's say it's more a candle, which I really don't like it, because in the same time it has a rejection from here, and also here we have the rejection, and if I'm going on the left side, I will say many other rejections. Okay, and I want to be very careful, but in the same time I am thinking that maybe the price will not do that move going up. I mean, you know, it's not going to do that move right now, and maybe it's going to do it later on, maybe in the Asia session and so on. By the way, before I understand a lot of people that they are trading in London session, and also I saw it from my group. The thing is that I would love to go live on the London session, but it's very difficult for me, because at that time I wake up, it's early morning in my country, and I have to prepare to give signals, and I have to prepare for myself to see what is going on. So the best thing is that if I will find trades in the morning signals, definitely maybe around I don't know, midday I will come here. I mean, like New York session, I will come here doing live stream. Okay, so coming back to Euro GPY. Euro GPY, what are you doing? It's trying to push up, and we still have 3 minutes for this 1 hour and 30-minute candle to close, and I'm really curious how this candle will close. Sometimes I like to put the how you say, the chart on the 30-minute, because also the time is passing faster, and because looking at the 4-hour chart and daily and 1 hour, I know exactly where this candle, let's say, it may go, if it's going to reject from the upwards or the downwards. Okay, so now I really want to see where this candle is going to close. But before, because also if you look on the 30-minute here, we have a lot of rejections. Okay, and the price try to break through this area. I mean, when you do analysis and when you want to go into a trade, you have to do, this is like this is exactly the analysis. You map where do you think that the price it may go. But for this you must have, I mean, not 100%, but at least 80%. You have to find your support and resistance, and after you see where you have your support and resistance, like this, you can play also with the trend line. If you have you can play with the trend line if you have the price going in the uptrend or downtrend. And I suggest you, when the price it's in a range zone, and the price in a range zone, it may be like this one. Oh my god, it's too gray, this one. Let me see. No. And this one. Okay, yeah, I really don't like it, but you understand that you put the box here, and here you have like a range. For example, also here, if I take again this one and I will do like this, here you have a range zone. Okay, so you really don't trade these areas. Okay, that's why if you know how to map your support and resistance, look what I told you. If the price is not going to break this one, then definitely it's going to reject from this area. And now the new hour just started, and let me see also on the 1 hour how the candle looks. So maybe the price is going now up again, retest again this area, and then to come back down again. I really don't like how this one looks. Okay, let me see. This and this. No. Yeah, I will play a little bit with these ones later. I really don't like how they look, but I put it for you here to understand where you may have some parts of the chart when you really don't have to trade them. And for example, so I said that this one in the box, you don't trade it, but you must trade this part, okay? So this is the important one, where you see big candles, okay? For example, me in this moment, I cannot go in this trade, for example, at Euro GPY on the 1 hour, because I really don't know what it's trying to do, and also it's not exactly how you say, the rejection that I like. There are some things that how you say, they are like patterns that you will recognize them, and for those that they have already some experience in trading, they know exactly what I'm talking about, that before going into a trade you have to recognize some things, which for example here I don't really trust Euro GPY, because in the same time it may go up and break through this trend line, because this trend line, it was just guiding me, but in a small way, okay? I was guided more because here we had this little rejections, and that means that when you have like multiple touches where you have support and resistance, that means that that area, that zone becomes stronger, okay? So you can have a note of this, because there are some important tips that I'm giving you here. Let me go on the 15 minute. I don't know why this one is like this. I think I will delete it. I really don't like it. Now I was trying to show you that also I have some voice, you know. I can be a singer. When I was little, I wanted to become a singer, but I really don't know what happened, and it didn't happen, this dream. And imagine, I became a Forex trader, okay? But I really don't mind, because all the time when I'm doing good trades, I'm singing in the house, and I feel happy. So if you have any questions, please ask me, because I told you that's why I'm here. I think that I will delete this because I don't like it, and after I will finish the session I will see what's happening, okay? So if you have any questions, don't hesitate and ask me, and don't say, ah, there is another rule in the house, put it by me, and maybe I think that I will put it also here, somewhere here, that don't say please look at this or look at that. You have to send me analysis and we discuss it, okay? So never ask me what do you think about Euro USD, if Euro GPY is going up or down, and so on, okay? If you want to discuss with me, then you have to send me a chart, and it's very simple. You map your own chart, you do the analysis, because I suppose that all the people that they are watching me and they will watch me, they have trading view, and it's very simple to map your trading plan here, and then you press this button, take a snapshot, okay? You will have this link here. You just do like this copy link, and then you give it to me on YouTube, and like this I can have a look on your chart. So never ask me, please look at this or look at that, because I will not answer you, okay? If you are asking me about what's happening here on this chart, because we are on the Euro GPY, yes, okay, I agree. But if you're asking me about something else, I will not answer, believe me. And if you don't like it, you can go out and not watching me again, okay? So these are the new rules, because I started to do some new rules, and also as you can see that I have changed I have deleted the group that was free, and also because I was let's say mad at some stage, because I was giving signals, I was giving profitable signals, and they were free, and like some of you took the trades and some of you no, and then you came to me and said that Madi, I lost money but not with you, and me, I was giving you a lot of pips. And remember, all the time I was doing 400 pips in 1 month, and you were coming and asking me, what do you think about this pair, and what do you think about this pair, and so on. And I was so pissed off that I said, okay, that's enough. I don't want to have any more a chat where people are not listening to me and they don't care. And for those that they really want to see me and they really want to learn and they really want to make some pips, they go straight to the VIP channel. And I showed you at the beginning where you can go to my website, to bloomfxsignals.com, and there you have all the information and so on. And plus that somebody did a fake account with my Instagram account and with the Telegram account and so on, with my pictures and asking questions and maybe asking money from people and so on. And I was so mad that I said I will close and I will do a private. And for those that they really care about what I'm saying here, believe me, they will come here and they will pay that fee and they will come and see me. Okay? And for that person that he did the fake account with me, and that maybe you will receive some messages before sending some money, or before, I don't know, doing something with that person. And remember, it also has my personal picture. Come here please and ask me, because I am the real one and I'm not joking, okay? So I don't know why the people are so mean and doing these kind of things. Maybe they, because they are stupid, sorry saying this, but maybe because they are lazy doing some work like I am doing here, because it's not easy, it's very stressful, having a lot of people and waiting for me to give them how you say, very good signals. This is the first one, and the second one is because also I'm playing my money and also your money. And this is not a joke, because I told you this is not like playing kindergarten. Here for me it's like having a business, and I'm trying to grow my business, and I'm trying to be very honest with you. So please, if you receive any message from that person that it has my picture and my account, and also from the Instagram, please report it, but before ask me if it's really me or not, because I really am the real person. Hi Nejko, I don't know your name, I don't really know how to read it, but if you have any questions, please do that. I'm here for you to answer. And another thing I wanted to say, that If our group here on the how you say, on the YouTube is going to grow, very soon, when I will do a live session, I will do it on the Zoom channel, okay? And the Zoom will be the link will be sent it for all the guys that they are on my VIP channel, okay? And I will do this very soon. Maybe we can try it tomorrow. I will ask you if you are available. And in the same time, because you will be in the Zoom session with me and we will be live on YouTube, also you have the possibility to ask me questions, and you can communicate between yourselves, and it's going to be fun, believe me. So maybe we can try this tomorrow, okay? And I said that also this will be a very nice thing to try it with you. And the thing is that this one is going to be available only for those that they are paying on my that they are on my VIP group, okay? Hard for brain and wallet sometimes. Hello, thanks for your live. Hello. I'm very happy to be here, but I was so sorry that I didn't have too much time, because I told you I was very busy doing finishing everything from for the website. It was very difficult because I wanted to put everything in order, and also because my first language is not English, and I wanted to be sure that everything it's rated fine and for you to understand me. And also I told you I was very busy with the classes, because a lot of people are asking me, and I have students almost every day, okay? And it's very difficult for me to do this. And also I started this new program with a VIP channel, and I said that from now on I will try to do this every day. And if I cannot do it every day, at least 3 times a week. But in the same time, I would love to start what I told you before, that I will do like a Zoom session. And yes, because now you are live with me, I will kindly request you to have Zoom on your phones or on your laptops, but I'm pretty sure you have it, because I will send it to you the link invitation. And for the guys that they are in my group channel, you will be able to be live with me, and also on the YouTube, okay? Now I was looking at Euro JPY in the same time that I was speaking, and it's doing some bullshit here. I mean, nothing really happens. That's why I left it on the 30 minute, because I wanted to see what's going on. I can see on the 15 minute that this candle is doing the same thing like this one, and it's playing around here, and most probably it's going to reject and come back down again. But it's struggling to do this, and it's just finished the 15 minute candle, and now it started a new one. But I really want to see what's going on the 30 minute candle when it will close, because also for the guys that I explained you before, and that they are on they are taking courses with me, I said that the 15 minute chart, you can look at it, but it's a very small confirmation. And please never look at 5 minutes and 1 minute, because there you will find only noise, okay? So coming back to this chart at Euro JPY, I can see that on the 1 hour it's rejecting from this resistance and from this trend line that I put it here, and most probably the price, it may come down, we don't know exactly, it may come down to this area, and let's see if it's going to break it. Then the price, it may continue to go down again to retest this area at 126. Let's see what we have here, 126,672, where, as you can see, we have multiple touches. Okay, for me it looks like a break and retest, but I really don't like that the price is here around in this channel. Okay, that's why I'm not taking this trade, because I really don't feel so confident, and also because it's not the right time, it's not the right moment to trade right now. I think it's 7:16, no, 5:16 my time. I think in about 15 minutes or maybe half an hour, you will see that the price will move a lot. Okay, I don't know how can we be in your private channel. Your English is very good to understand. To be in my private channel, it's very simple. Sorry for interrupting this one. You can go to my website, to bloomfxsignals.com, and here you have all the info about everything that I am giving here. Okay, so you have the BloomFX signals, you have the BloomFX EA, which is this one, it's amazing, and also you have the courses. So you have 3 possibilities to be with me on the group chat. Okay, another one, and a new channel. Thank you for sharing your hard work ideas. Yes, I am working a lot, and I'm not saying this by complaining. I am saying this for you to understand that if you really want to become profitable, you have to work like crazy. And this is not only for Forex, this is like for life. I mean, even if you are working, I don't know, in a company, you have to work a lot for you to grow up, and maybe they will change your how you say, they will change your position in that company. So it's the same thing also here, that if you want to grow up, believe me that I spent thousands of hours in front of the charts. I have read it a lot. I've been a student too. I have mapping my charts. Every day I was doing this, and I was reading, and I was mapping everything, and I was putting on my paper what I was missing, what I did wrong, what I did good, what is my expectation, and so on. Also included, I did a trading plan that I respected, and I still respect it now. It's like being in an army. I mean, it's like I was thinking that I am here, I have the most beautiful possibility to make money. It's not easy. I can say that it's the hardest work and job that you can ever have, because first of all you have to work with you and with your feelings, and you have to be how you say, a very calm person, and you have to be you have to understand that you don't really have to rush. And you know that in life you don't have to rush, maybe because you can do some mistakes, and avoiding mistakes, you can how you say, you can do some good stuff for you, meaning that how do I say, you wake up early in the morning, you make your coffee. I mean, you must have a routine. You go how you say, to see on the calendar, to see if there is any news. I mean, this is one of the most important things. So before opening any charts, you have to go to the calendar and find out what's going on in this world, because you are sleeping 7-8 hours a night and you don't know maybe what happened in the other corner of the planet. And maybe it was a bomb, maybe it was an earthquake, maybe I don't know, something had happened with a new president of America and so on. Maybe with now that we have this situation with the virus and the vaccine and so on, maybe something happened, and all this kind of news, they are disturbing the market, okay, and they are disturbing the price action, and it's moving up and down, and you have to know exactly what's going on. That's why don't rush going into a chart, just rush to see on the calendar what's next, what's going on, what's happening during that week, because some days there will be calm days and some days there will be let's say days with a red flag, where maybe sometimes you don't have to trade it because you have the opportunity to lose some money, and you are not here to lose money, you are here to make money, and this is your strategy, okay? So wake up, drink your coffee or tea, whatever you drink and whatever you want to do, make some exercise. I mean, you have to be a healthy person, okay? And from this routine and doing this every day, believe me that your life is going to change, and also your direction for this how you say this business, it's going to be different. I mean, it's not going to be like this, like a snake. It will start to be like a straight line, because like this you will understand exactly what's going on the market, and you will understand exactly how this everything it functions, okay? So I can say that it's very hard because you have to work first with you, and it's easy on the other hand if you know how to read the candles, and if you understand exactly how this let's say how this machine works, because these charts, they have a pattern, and that means that the candles sometimes they repeat, only that you have to look and to know and to understand how you can read the market and the candles, okay? Now coming back to Euro GPY, and I wanted to stay only with Euro GPY today for you to understand how you can map your chart, and maybe how you can have a trade, okay? And we still have, let's say, almost 6 minutes for this half an hour to close, and I really want to see if the price is still rejecting from this area where I mapped my chart, or it's going to break it. But I think it's going to reject it because we still have a very small time, and I want to go on the 15 minute to see how it looks. And for those again that they really don't know, maybe for those that they do know about how does this work, maybe it's boring, but please try to understand that I'm doing this for those that they are losing a lot of money, and maybe they are afraid to tell it, and they say no, I'm fine, I'm having a great day, I had I don't know 20 pips today, I am very happy, no, I don't need help and so on, but inside they are crying. So that's why I'm here for you to explain you how this business is working. And I'm repeating business because in my head it's like a business, it's not like a poker or I don't know what other game. It's not like I'm selling this, do that, no. For me it's very important, this one, and you should do the same, and you should think like an institution, okay? Not like a person. You have to be like a rock, and you have to come here and break everything, not the market to break you. This is the attitude, and like this you have to think every day when you are coming into a chart. And coming back to Euro JPY, I said that it's going to reject from this area, and it looks that it's doing this, and most probably the price, the next candle, maybe it's going to come up again and then back down again. So I said that we have the possibility that after this 30-minute candle we close, or maybe the next 15-minute candle we close, sometimes the last half an hour or the last 15 minutes from this hour, the candles are moving, let's say, more violent, and they are moving very fast, and you can make some money, like, not let's say money, let's say pips. You can make something like 15-20 pips, depends how the market moves and what condition have. So as I showed you today about Euro JPY, like this you can map any other pair, and you can make some profitable trades. But coming back to trades and pairs, I would love to say that I want you to trade not to trade to have more than 2 or 3 trades a day, okay? Or don't trade more than 2 or 3 pairs maximum, because you can lose some money, because you need a lot of experience to to have too many pairs in front of you, okay? It's better to wait and to have in front of you only 1 or 2 pairs, because if you have 5 trades in 5 pairs in front of you, it's very hard for you to follow them. First, because you don't have experience, and second, because you cannot be able, to focus, let's say, on 5 pairs in the same time. And I was doing this mistake at the beginning, and I think you should cut this, because it's going to be in your favor having only 1 pair. And for example, I showed you here today with Euro JPY, and I had Euro JPY, I don't know, I have 1 hour staying here in front of the computer, and I had only Euro JPY. By having only 1 pair in front of me, I could tell you that I focused even if I was speaking here with you, I was focused on Euro JPY, telling you that if it's not going to break that area, then definitely the price, it will come back down again. I cannot be in many other trades in the same time and also speaking with you. It's better to have 1 or 2 pairs in front of you and take care of them than to have 10 and lose your money, okay? So this is one of my suggestions for those that they are new and that they are trying to make some pips. First, I said maybe that for those people that they came late on the live stream, please go on the babypips.com, and there, even if you are reading half an hour a day, you will understand a lot of things. And believe me, I started to do also these baby pips at the beginning, and it was very funny, and I really understanding what's happening there. And also, please try to map your trades. Try to map your trades and try not to rush, and try to understand why the hell we have 3 important sessions, okay? So this is you have to put some questions. That's why you have brains, you know, they function, but maybe you don't know how to use them. Sorry to saying that, but also I received some questions also now that when should I trade? My God, I should know when you should trade. I don't know in which country you are. I don't know when you are waking up, when you are going to sleep, and so on. In my case, because I'm in Europe, I can find and I can trade London session and New York session. I don't care about Asia session. I really don't care. When I wake up in the morning, I see that the market made some move on the Asia session, but I really don't care, because also sometimes it really helps me how the market it moved during the night. So when I'm sleeping in my because I'm in Europe, I don't catch the Asia session, so I don't know how the price is moving during that time, okay? So it's better to wait, and it's better to understand and to put questions from which country I am. And if you are from Europe, and if you have time, and maybe you are going to work, maybe some of you are some students, maybe, I don't know, maybe you have kids, you have family, and so on, and you have to understand in which period of time you are available to trade. When you are available to trade in the morning, I'm saying in the morning because it's my London session, or maybe you can catch London session. For example, there are some times in the market that the market is dead, nothing is happening, and you stay. I was staying like a ship at the beginning when I was thinking that I was smart and trading and so on, and I was staying like a ship looking at the chart, and nothing happened. And at that time I realized that I was in the wrong time on the market, and that's why I was not making money, plus I was losing money. Because you have to be smart. That's why you have brains. Smart. You are a smart person and you understand what's going on. So find out when you can trade, which period of time, and trade London and or New York. This I'm saying exclude the fact that you are taking signals from me. I'm not speaking about that group. Even for those that they are in my group and they are taking signals, I'm pretty sure that they trade by their own because they want to prove that they are smart. But I said also before doing this, try to do it on the demo and try to do the same thing and try to understand why the market is moving at that time, why the market is moving in that direction, why the market is, I don't know, trying to break that resistance, or maybe it's not breaking that resistance. For example, that we have this situation here, and put the question why Euro JPY cannot break this area from here where we have the resistance, and let's say that we have also the trend line. This is only for me to have a direction that the price is in a channel, okay? But I had to put the question, and the answer is very simple. Well, because price it already went up, okay, and now it's breathing the market in the same time. And I can say that the price, it cannot break this area because we had these multiple touches, and because we have this mess again here. If I'm mapping here, you will see that we have again this mess here, and I am waiting for the price to give me a direction. I mean, how could I go now into a trade? Yes, I was right that the price may reject from this area, but I was not right that during this time, because we don't have volume in this moment, the price will come down. I don't want to stay 2 hours in a trade, okay? I want to stay in a trade 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 max. I mean, this is the kind of trades that you should find out, map them and trade them, okay? Not more. I mean, okay, when you give signals, I give signals because also you have the take profit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. But when you are trading like 10, 15, 20 pips for on your own, I mean, you have to understand and to map out where the price it may go, because it will be easier for you to understand. It will be easier for you to be profitable, okay? So even I was right here in this situation, I didn't want to take the trade because we don't have volume. If this setup was on the New York session, at the opening, I wanted to say on the New York session and London session, and also I think in about 1 hour, the London session will close. Oh my god, I forgot what I wanted to say. I have millions of things in my head. Now I am blank now, blank. Okay, I will remember. My god, I you know, when you have 10 things in your head that you want to speak them, but in the same time, it's happening that you can lose your not lose your mind, to lose your idea. What do you say here? EJ 30 minute, it does look bearish, but with a tweezer top at the rest, but I think the 4 hour will push it long. I said this the same thing when I was also on the daily and also on the 4 hour, that the price may continue to go up. And also if you go on the weekly, you will see that. I said that the price, it's taking a breath right now because it's like break and retest. Now the price is doing here a retest, and most probably it's going to come back up again, or maybe to continue to go even higher. I don't say on the 30 minute, if I'm going here, that the price should come back, I don't know, here. I didn't say this. When I'm doing this and when I map this chart here, that the price, it may come here, okay? So you have like 15-20 pips max, okay? So I have the same idea like too, and I think that the price will flip the candle from a bull, from bearish to bullish candle, and okay, this one, and maybe the price will come back up again to retest this area. We don't know exactly. That's why it's very important to wait before going into a trade, okay? And also I can see that the price is struggling doing something here, but I'm pretty sure that it's going to reject. It will have an issue here, but I really don't care because I'm not trading it, because it's not the right time, okay? What do you say here? This is motivational. Yes, I give you some how you say, some energy, some power, because to be honest, I am a very positive person. Even if I am losing a trade, because it's impossible for me and for everybody that they're trading to be 100% sure. It's impossible to be exactly, because we are not like robots. You cannot do it. And even if I'm looking, even if I am how you say, losing a trade, well, I'm trying to find out why it happened. Maybe it's not my fault, because maybe it appeared in news or something like that, that took me out from my trade. Or maybe, I don't know, the price did something that I couldn't expect it, and so on. So it's possible to lose a trade, but I'm a very positive person, and I think you should be the same. And this will help you a lot, not only in trading, but also in life. And I know it's a little bit difficult during this period uh, with the virus, because let's say that um, we have these lockdowns. We have to stay in the house. We cannot go, I don't know, so often to the restaurants, or we have to wear all the time the masks. And but it's for us to understand that using that mask, we protect people and we protect from other people. And now, because we have the vaccine, I think that things will be much more cleaner and clear for us. And I think that things will calm down this year, but most probably in the summer, or in the autumn. But in the same time, it's how you say, you become sad, because you stay more in the house. And also I saw that in UK they started now with some lockdowns, I think until March, which is crazy also for the business and also for the people staying so much in the house. But these are the conditions. And we should try to do things that we love them. And if we have a family, to take care of it. If we still have healthy parents and grandparents, we should take care of them. If we have pets, we should take care of them, and so on. It's like, I'm that kind of person, that make love, not war, so I'm a very positive person, and I can say that I am really, really happy, even if I'm going to the supermarket, because it's really very difficult during these days with the virus. What do you have here? Have you seen CHF GPY monthly? Yes, I don't know when you came. We have a friend here, the last samurai. Maybe he came later in the live stream, but I want to say that I said at the beginning that I don't want you to ask me what do you think about this or what do you think about that pair. If you have anything to share, please send me a chart, and it's very simple. You can map your chart if you are using TradingView, and if you don't have it, you can take it because it's free. You just have to make an account, and after you map up your trade, you can go here and take a snapshot and copy the link. And then after you copy the link, you send it to me, and I will have a look, and then I will tell you what is good or what is bad. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching, and this was like a motivational starting, because also it was the 1st of February, and I don't know, maybe also in your countries, but in my countries they say that is the month of love, maybe because we have the Valentine's Day or something like this. If you want to have more info about the channels and the VIP section and the courses and about the robot, the BloomFX EA, you can go to bloomfxsignals.com, and there you have all the info. And if you have any questions, you will find there some links that you can send me anything. I mean, you can put me questions. If you didn't see how you say the analysis, please have a look and go on the trading view, because I'm pretty sure that 99% of you they're using trading view. Is the same thing where you map up your trades, and you can come here and have a look to what do I say on the weekly analysis, because here I post analysis, and also I started to put also education, and most probably a lot of you they need some education in Forex, and this will be very helpful. And if it really is helpful for you and you like it, please give a like, and if you have any questions you can comment. And I said that if I will try to do this with you, the month of love, yeah baby, yay, the month of love. Yes, I think we have also in my country it's Dragobete, it's the same thing like Valentine's Day, so that's why we call it the month of love. So we celebrate it 2 times, on the Dragobete and on the Valentine's Day, so I am very lucky this month. So I will try to do tomorrow and I will send it to you later on, a message to don't forget that you should have a Zoom, because maybe tomorrow we will start a Zoom session together with all the people that they are already in my group on the VIP one. And it will be very nice, because like this we can share ideas, you can communicate with me, and you can communicate all together. And it will be a lot of fun also, because I want to do some changes, and I did some changes, and I want to do also some other things that I'm pretty sure you will enjoy. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for listening to me, and see you